Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Huel shake. First, pour 500 milliliters of cold water into your Huel shaker bottle. This helps prevent the powder from sticking to the bottom. Next, add 2 level scoops of Huel powder. This amount provides a standard 400-calorie serving, perfect for a meal. Secure the lid tightly to prepare for mixing. You're now ready for the next step. Now it's time to shake. Hold your shaker firmly and shake it vigorously for at least 10 seconds. This ensures the powder fully dissolves and creates a smooth consistency. After shaking, quickly check for any remaining clumps. If you see any, just give it another quick shake. For an even smoother texture and enhanced flavor, let your Huel shake sit for about 5 minutes before drinking. This allows the ingredients to fully hydrate. Huel is incredibly versatile, so feel free to customize it. If you prefer a thicker shake, simply use less water, perhaps 400 milliliters. For a thinner consistency, add a bit more. Adding a few ice cubes before shaking makes for a wonderfully cold and refreshing drink, especially on a warm day. You can also experiment with Huel flavor boosts or blend in some fresh fruit like berries for extra taste and nutrients. Make it your own. Once prepared, your Huel shake is best enjoyed fresh. If you don't drink it all at once, you can store it in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Always give it a quick shake again before consuming if it's been sitting. Remember to clean your shaker bottle thoroughly immediately after use to prevent any residue buildup. And speaking of clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your home tidy effortlessly. Enjoy your perfectly made Huel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.